All right, welcome back to Adobe Premiere Pro for Beginners, the series. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the speed in your clips. Go ahead and click on the clip you want to work with. If it's this small and if I right click, I only get this. The way you get around it is if you just zoom in on the timeline and click away from the FX and right click. And right there, we're going to have all these options. We're going to go to speed and duration. Right now, it is 100% speed. And we'll see the clip in just full speed. This was from a hot chocolate bomb video I did last month. Let's say I want to slow that clip down. I'm going to go back to the beginning, right click, and go to speed, duration. I'm going to go to 50%. That means it's going to double in the speed. Let's see how it looks. You're probably wondering, why would I do that? It's very blurry. This clip was shot at 30 frames per second. If you're going to do this, you'd want to shoot your clip at 60 frames per second, and that will be another video for another day. But that's pretty simple. That's how you control the speed. Remember, click on the clip, right click, go to speed and duration, click, this time I'll click 75%, and it might look a little better. Yeah, somewhat. But here is a good frame of reference. 100% is the regular speed. Bump me out, right? Oops, didn't like that. So 100%, right? If you want the clip to go faster, it has to be above 100%. So I can put 150. And there you can see it's going to go faster. So you can play around, see what your project best needs, but that is how you control speed. 100% is the normal speed that it was recorded on. You want to increase in speed, go to above 100%. If you want to slow it down, go below 100%. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to watch more videos in this series.